you haven't done so already, it's time to initialize your sprites, which simply means setting up the starting position and look of your sprites. Where are they? Are they hidden or visible? What's the size? Where are they? X and Y. And once you've done that, it's time to animate. Let's take a look through some of these blocks so you can see what they do. We already know that this block will turn it. Remember, if you're having something turn, you might want this point in the direction of 90 for the beginning. You can have change by. If you make it a negative, remember it goes the other way because X changes left to right. So a positive X will go right. If I add a negative to this, it will go left. If I do change by Y, Y goes up and down. So right now it will go up. But if I add a negative, it will go down. There are these glide tos when you tap on that. So if I know where I want this one to glide to, let's say, hold on. So let's say it starts here, but I want it to glide to here. It makes a smooth movement. You might also want to have the character say something or think something. You can have it switch to different costumes. You could see if your character has costumes. In our next lesson, we'll learn how to edit these. You could change the size, you could change the color, clear effects, and these are the layers. You could add sounds if you'd like. You might also need to use the repeats and the weights. Okay, what I want for it is this character to shake back and forth and then glide around here. Let's check it out. Oh no, it happens in the opposite manner. Okay, well, here's my setup, and then here's the problem. I have it gliding before it does this turning back and forth. I need to switch the order of these. This is called sequencing. The order of your code is really important. If it's not in the right order, it's not going to do it the way you want it to appear. So make sure your code's in the correct order. Now it works. But what if I have two characters? Let's check out how this looks right now. Oh no, we have two speech bubbles happening at the same time. But I wanted this character to go first and then have the second character come in. So we need to add some timing. I don't want the teacher to move right away, so I'm going to use a wait block. Wait blocks can be found under control right here. So I'm going to guess that it's going to take about 3 seconds for the evil villain to go from here to here. Let's see. Getting better, but one, I don't like how I could see her on the side while he's moving. So I'm going to change the order of the show and the wait. So now it'll wait before we can see her. Let's see if that gets better. Good, we don't see her over here. The other thing I don't like is how this speech bubble lasts way too long. So let's go back to the evil villain. We just have this character saying, "Mwahaha." But if we go here, we can control how long it speaks for. So let's see if 2 seconds is good. That looks pretty good. Now you're noticing that I have 2 flags. So at the same time that this character is going back and forth, it's also saying "mwahaha." That's something called parallelism. Look out for information on parallelism in future videos.